What's your name, beta?
Punya. Mehak. Hello everyone. We are from GCW College, Rohtak, and our model is on topic Beat Acid Rain, Let Nature Rain. So this is the most attractive part of our model. In the center, we live on Earth, and there are two phases of life on Earth. We live on Earth, and there are two phases of life on Earth. One is happy, and the other one is sad. The half part of the center represents happy part, and the other half represents bad part. Now let's start from sad part for Earth. In this industry, we see due to large increase of industrialization, the number of industries and factories are increased, due to which air pollution and water pollution increases. The smoke coming out of industries includes VOC, volatile organic compound, which also includes sulfur dioxides and oxides of nitrogen, which then reacts with evaporating water and causes acid rain. Now let's come to the second part. Here we have a farmer named Vinod, who settled acid rain detector to protect his crop from acid rain. He basically settled this PVC sheet, which is expensive and costly, on his field, and this is the vast problem because no farmer can afford this type of sheet. So for this problem we have solution in our fourth city, which is known as Green City.
This is our green city. Eco-friendly city भी इसको बोल सकते हैं आप.
When sun is bright, say no to light. And for green energy, use wind energy. Here we are using renewable source of energy for sustainable development. So we are using here solar panel and windmill to generate electricity, and we use electric vehicles over here for no pollution, so that there will be no pollution, less pollution. And we are using trees, as we know that trees are natural filter which filters the polluted air.
Because they gives us the oxygen and take up the carbon dioxide, which is one of the major cause for the global warming. Continue.
Now let's come to the third part. Here we also have, in this part there is person named Vinay, in whose house he is practicing rainwater harvesting.
Catch the rain, don't let it going big.
Here the rainwater is harvested over the roof. Then it is filtered using Corex filter, and after filtration the purification of water is done over here part, and after that purified water goes to the storage tank. To ensure the safety of drinking water, we use pH detector over here. We know that the pH of drinking water is between 5 to 6.5, between the range. Then after pH detection we do the chlorination of water, so that our water will be detoxified, and then after chlorination the water is moved to the supply tank and supplied to the whole city. Here in this city also we are using the concept of solar panels, so that we can show sustainable development and renewable source of energy. Here we use solar panels so that we can store energy, and energy stored in transistor of 10 megawatt. But the problem over here is the vehicles we are using, they run on fuel, and when they run on fuel they causes smoke, which causes air pollution. Similarly, the solution to this problem is also in our green city. Here we use this electric vehicle so that no pollution will be caused, and the concept of our city will be sustainable development. Thank you.